Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Jane. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. What, how things, how life. I remember my backup channel, Trending Buzz Network, yes. I see where some of you are say, oh, no, I remember say on my channel, when I know say the notification pop up, oh, no, I remember say I feel me, kind of used to me over that day, yeah, day. But just try to keep it a bit down, yeah, so. Say a chin channel, all right? But eventually, when we get used to it, don't it? Yeah, man. All right. So we are get down in the video now. So we are gonna talk about Uncle Curly. Uncle Curly, Uncle Curly, you said something about me last night. You know, Uncle. I'm bad to bad, Uncle. The way how nothing that you say about me affects me in a no way, shape, or form. When me hear it, you know. Me can't go play make Mr. Sir here. I say listen to what that over there say about me, Mr. Sir. I bust out a laugh, and every time I remember it, Uncle Curly, me bust out a laugh. Cause believe it or not, me find it funny. Me find it hilarious, but not because me find it funny, Uncle Curly. That means that means me not go come out here come rub your little dirty can for you. You know me I can answer you, don't it, Uncle? You know me I go answer you. The good thing about it though, me not go trace you, Uncle, but I go trace you, but me I go answer you. Yeah, someone will say all of you by now. Everybody, because it everywhere, it's viral. Everybody's seen the video what happened with that nurse heading to work. I think it was Tuesday night, yes. You know, see everything that happened. So I have to go into the details of that. So Miss Dotty Uncle Curly, she now come out and she has speak on it. She had talk about it. So 1 minute now she a burn it out, you know. This minute she a burn it out. And the next she a wish it past somebody else. Then tell me now if uncle have sense out there. Or not tell me if uncle have sense. Uncle with the shape of your head, you know, it look like enough tep up in I get. It look like a whole heap of tep up in I get. But when me sit down and watch the video now, you know, me love her, me I look at me, I say look at the little frigga now. Look at this little half alligator, half human. You have even Zacharia said that come here. I wish say. After we head did get tep up in Uncle Curly, you know Zacharia said. You're supposed to know Zacharia said. Them did that me love. So don't remember the reading book. Them remember which grade. But one reading book. I want grade 3 or 4 reading book. Yeah, man, did have Zacharia said. Zacharia said. Oh, no, remember Zacharia said. The sitting where says Zacharia said, sir, a big dumpling in his bed. He started to eat and it stuck in his teeth. So they call him Zacharia dumpling head. Oh, no, no, know that. Oh, no, no, know that. Probably some man not gonna know. But me see the guy look on the ugly freak and me I said, watch how the little old fat view as Zacharia now. Watch him. Watch him. Eh? Watch how the little fat view as Zacharia. So same time me say I wonder if Google knows Zacharia. So I go for Google. I say Google. You know what Zacharia said? And by the time I say so one picture, I say pop up with Zacharia, I screenshot it and put it to them together. Perfect twin. Perfect twin. I wonder if a Zacharia breed your mama uncle. You go Curly. I wonder if a Zacharia breed your mama. You know, if you like me, I go call your mass Zaki though. Me feel like as friend today, you know about my uncle again, your mass Zaki, Mr. Zacharia. Some loves don't see what I don't hear my out here talk about Master Zaki, or Mr. Zacharia, or Uncle Curly me attack. Yeah man, we find Zacharia Z long last relative. I never know say Uncle Curly was a part of Zacharia Z family tree. I never know. I never know. But I am so happy, Uncle Curly, that I was able to reunite you with your family. Yes. You don't have to thank me, because I know you're not going to tell me thanks. You don't have to thank me, but you know, I'm happy I was able to help. All right now. So when it come to Mas Zaki now, you know, when it come to Mr. Zacharia out here, you know, my love, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. Cause Mr. 13 come out here and brush her backside 2 times per straight. She get her properly brush up. Me not say what make you add to it. I don't say what make you add to it, my love. Because 13 said it all. Hey, it's a knockout. 13 get that out here, you know. It's a knockout. All the referee in at the ring a beat the ground, a beat the ground, a beat the ground. Fin get up, him couldn't get up back. Him couldn't get up back. But Zaki, Mr. Zacharia, you see when it come to homelessness and mental health, me know it's a no joke. Especially when the two of them clash. Me know it's a no joke. And right now, me can't tell you me feel your pain. You understand me, Zaki? I can't tell you say me feel your pain because I really don't know what you're going through. I have never experienced anything like that. I can't relate. So I can't tell you me feel your pain. You understand me, Zaki? Yeah, glory be to God and thank you, Jesus. I have never been in a situation like that. And I am speaking it over my life, mighty God. Don't let me fall in a situation like my Zacharia out here, Mr. God. I may speak that over my life. Anyways now, so after my Zacharia now come out, I can say I should have me speak my mind, Erica, Pinky, and Ashanti. I should have feel we head get tap up in a Ashanti. You know when me laugh? Let me tell you when me laugh now, Ashanti. Come in where you gonna hear this, yeah. You see what he say? When he reach, you see when she reach I feel your part now, Ashanti. I say I should have fear head the man tap up in and crush you out like a caterpillar. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. Me spread out in a me settee in here. You know Uncle Curly, me spread out in a me settee, me spread out in a my couch. I wonder if Uncle Curly know what that feel like, he spread out into a couch. Uncle Curly, I spread out into my couch with my 2 foot cock up in the air at DWL. Poor you not gonna know that feeling there, you know, Uncle Curly, cause you can't go cock up feel in the front the ass. When the whole of you underneath up in out and farm out in a one. I wind out like the first time car the ride jump at his foot. Rat out and Maggie chat take you cannot go through down in a people couch. So I'm just saying, but yes, I shan't when be here that the part them be spread out. Hey, I don't know what they say. And them people here were paparazzi and no dry shit in them behind. All of them have the most fish about people. And them have the worst fish about people. But you know, Mazaki no fears me out here. So me get to understand now, say Mazaki say, he ma go for him pie. Yes, me love me get to understand, say Zachariah go for him pie out here for we. But Zachariah, sir, I have a word of advice for you. You see, if or when you go for that pie next month, Mr. Zachariah, sir, you see, when you get it, or if you get it, the first thing when me want you to do, Mr. Zachariah, I want you jump in your vehicle. You understand me, Mr. Zaki? Drive to somewhere very, very far and lonely where nobody now go find you. And you see, when you do that now, Mr. Zaki, I want you take the same pie. Lower the top, uncle. Lower the top, full it up. And I want you take it and raise it to your head. I see when you take it and raise it to your head, uncle, I want you squeeze and I want you empty everything in your brain cell. Turn it by your force. Yeah, man, do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor, uncle. I used to like how you're there so far at the lonely place. Nobody now go find you. Drunk or we feed by your carcass. Yeah, drunk or maggot we feed by your carcass. And that is my word of advice to you. You understand me, Mr. Zacharia? Mr. Zacharia, one curly girl you. Yeah, man, do yourself the favor. Take yourself out of your life of misery, your life of papa, your life of loneliness. You know you have this thing, you know, Mas Zaki. For come out here and talk about poor and non-emancipated people. Mr. Zaki, you know majority of the people them over there where watch you, them paparazing. Majority of them sitting over there watch you up a hungry gut, you know. You realize that them can't bless you up with nothing. Them can't support you in a nothing. Because some of them, especially Jamaican one, them good at live in a some little ratness, in a some little hole. If you ever see which part some of them are crawl out upon social media, come fast with people upon social media, you cry shame. So majority of your people, them over there paparizing. You on the other hand, a bossy papa. If Harry should have kicked the bucket tomorrow, anyhow Harry should have kicked the bucket tomorrow, dog name your supper. Girl, dog name your supper. Mr. Zacharia, you know, say a lot of people out there poor. But guess what? Them poor, but them no poverty. Like myself, you're poor, but not poverty. Me no pauperizing, Miss Marcia. You barely can keep your head above the waters. You, on the other hand, is struggling to keep your nose hole out of the waters. Coming out every day, I cuss people, I call people poor and emancipated. Let me put this in that big calabash head of yours now, Mr. Zacharia. Let me educate you. You see poverty? Ima Zacharia, you see poverty? It's not just about not being able to feed yourself. You can't provide food, you can't provide clothes, you're homeless and all of that. And not just that of poverty. Being unwanted, unloved, uncared for is also a form of poverty, Mr. Zachariah. Get that in your head. That is a whole other level of poverty, Mr. Zachariah. And which one of the category them you fall in? All of the above, Mas Zaki. So let me tell you this, sir. I am not the reason why you have to out to do hours a night into the wee hours of the morning a bleaching a night Jew because you don't live in a place of comfort or have your own space. You can't have your own way and do as you likes because you have to live by the people them rule and regulations. Anything they say goes. You can't belch too hard or you can't fart too hard. And if you extra think you have to find somewhere because you can't not thinking near the people them place. You can't lay down in a comfortable bed to interact with your people them when you watch up on your live at night time. It must be so hard for you. It must be so hard for you. You don't work and you can't just go bed and lay down in a somewhere comfortable. You're not hearty. Your back no good. Right about now, you're more DEAD than alive. And you finish working and you can't go relax. You have to come out, go sit down and straight up your back in a car. Eh? And the back not good already. Can you imagine when you come off of your life, how you feel limp going because you sit down so many hours, you can't stretch out properly in a little mobile house? Eh? Can you imagine the pain where you have to go through a night time when you have to crumble go in? Not to mention when you have to come out of the vehicle. You must patu. Are you a rat bat? Cause only patu and rat bat mean no room at night time. Are you a dopey? Yeah, which one of them patu rat bat or dopey? All of the above. If you're a little old man, you're living dangerously. You live careless. Me sorry for you. And even if you get a chance to do little live in the house, you have to confine to hurry toilet. You're stuck up in the toilet like you're a piss pot. My loves, me get distracted, me I fell and come back. Yes, but I was saying, yes, my loves, when me look, oh God, man, when me look and see the little old man sitting in the car, you know, the little old man, the sad little old man now, you know, sitting in the car. With the little bubbles them in her ear in her little red blouse, if you ever want unfinished voodoo, darling, me say, oh God, man. Eh? Mr. Zacharia, if you ever twiddle the and twiddle them in a Alice in Wonderland. When me look in her eyes, them me love all me see are just trauma, beer trauma, and her sad little eyes, them. As much as she in the dark, cause me no know who else wear sunshade at night time. Hey, if you get up every night all in your bed in a dark as you know in a sunshades, are so serious insecurities that with yourself, you know my love. Yeah man. So serious level of insecurity that with yourself, man. Oh God, man. Uncle Curly, if you have a yogi beer, you have a hoopa looper. Listen, I know. Me promise me that come here and cuss with you, you know, about Zachariah. I tell myself, me that cuss with you, you know. But come here to me, big mama. Come here. You know what? I know about that cuss you. I know about that cuss you. But uncle, deep down, Mr. Zachariah, I want to tell you how you big and lumpy and fever scramble egg. I want to tell you how much your skin flappy and a wobble pan you like when breeze a blow the bamboo tree them down a Holland bamboo. Mr. Zachariah, you lumpy like ton can meal. I don't know why your papa never use a panta with your mobile, you know. I don't know why your papa never use a panta. My loves, you don't know a panta. You don't do not ask me over here how me know a panta. You know, don't ask me how me know about panta. I grew up, I got tell them, I used to say my cousin them within a drama, love. Me never know where them from. Me just say panta mark panda something. And when me pull it, me see look like a very shiny balloon. Me see look like a very shiny balloon, my love. And when nobody is home, me take them out. You know the little table, they will have a drop on it. Yeah, and they so them used to keep it. And when nobody is home, love, me take them and blow them up, throw them up in the air like a balloon. When you look at my mouth lip, it shine like when rat drop in a hell buckle. Yeah, but I was saying, Mr. Zacharia, if your father did use a panther, you know, so we wouldn't have a fair deal with today, yeah. We would have never have a fair deal with today, yeah. Should I use a panther, man? And then tie you up with you in it and dash you your roadside or bush can and make hands near your backside. All the damn little dirty man needed was a panther. That's all the little man needed was a panther. And you wouldn't be here being a menace to yourself and society. Hey, Agnes, hold me now. Agnes, hold me now, because I don't come to trace that woman at this man. You know. I promise myself I am not tracing this woman this morning, yeah. Agnes, hold me there. Yeah, but pan a big woman level though, Mr. Zacharia, pan a big woman level, me genuinely concerned about you. Yeah, man, me genuinely concerned about your levity. Mm-hmm. It don't look good for you, Mas Zacharia. Mr. Zaki, it don't look good for you. At your age in a life, it don't look good. It's not a good look, my love. Secondly, Mas Zaki, you know me, I observe with you. Really and truly, all you go on and I kick up and flip up and hype up yourself. You don't like yourself. You are insecure about yourself. As much as you go on like what is being said out here on social media no affect you, it does. All you come out here try to play it off, it a bother you. It a ride you. We can't see it. And your members only them see it too. When it comes to you, the insecurity is real. Coming out here boasting upon the things them where you claim say you have. The things them where you go on for you, where some of them clearly and where you see in your dream when you name late and I get nightmare. Never see them in a real life yet, or probably you see other people with it and dream of having it. You see, when you do them something there, your insecurities are showing. Yeah, man. And you see the two old man seed bag were under your arm where you talk about fatty tissues. The two of them will drop down under your arm and dangle like a goat seed. When we talk about it, it bother you too. You don't like them. You don't like them. Not a fatty tissue. Not a blasted fatty tissue. Your seed bag them. And your balls them. Tap come out you can talk about fatty tissue and your balls them. Your balls them falling at the wrong place. Same like how your two eye them the way around your ears back. And so your two balls them separate from them one another. One pan the left and one pan the right. People who are secure and comfortable in them own skin, them not have to brag. Them not have to show off. Nah, cause them not nothing to prove to nobody. You ever hear it saying where say confidence is silence and insecurities are loud? Yeah, man. Are you that? Come out here every day and fly your mouth when big like a yabba pot. And when you do that, all you do is expose your weakness. Your weak and powerless Mas Zaki. All you have is your big mouth when big like them first time yabba pot. That's all you have, Mas Zaki. That's all you have. Not more back of that. I you know me should have cussed you do Mas Zacharia. Me should have cussed you, you know. Me should have out your class out your nastiness. But you know the reason why me not cuss you? As much as me seem so tough sometimes and sound so tough like me nah no heart, my heart goes out for you. For when me really look and see this 70-year-old woman going on to 80, I feel bleaching a night dew till 3-4 o'clock a morning time, trying to earn an additional buck off of YouTube. Me feel your pain, man. My heart goes out for you. Because, say no, if you have to left the comfort of a house, as much as enough for your house, but you have to left the comfort of a house and a bed. Come out in a your car, come sit down hours and night from 11 o'clock so till all 3-4 o'clock a morning time. Is a different level of desperation and hunger that, you know. And when me say hunger, me not talk about just food. So if somebody we claim say they don't want YouTube money or social media money, and you can't done work and go stretch out by your back and rest. You have to go in your car in a wee hours a morning. Put your life at risk. Put yourself in a danger. To earn an additional buck is a different level of desperation that. Bad to bad, you know, so the Jamaican bloggers, them a do that. Name me wish one of the Jamaican bloggers, them you see out here in a night do a bleach for YouTube money. Bad to bad, you have time when me no come out here all 4 or 5 days. Cause me no really need to. If it was my only source now, you know, mother out here morning, noon and night, morning, noon and night 3-4 times for the day. But me no need fee. If me did have the time, do I would do it because I love the extra money. You think me I can do like, I go like, so me proud. I'm better than it. Me love the extra money. So if I had the time, could I do it? Me would I do it. You know that tired to see me face out here. Me na come go like me no need it and then before the man in me in a car. Eh? Me cock up in a car. I try hustle. Me ma, now left the comfort of my bed, you must say mad. For neither love nor money. So when you look on it now, my loves, if them willing to speak the truth, you know, say, I'm a Zacharia over there, so are the real papa out here. But Mr. Zacharia, me have a concern. Me have a concern, Mr. Zacharia. Me have a burning issue. Me can't go my bed with it tonight. I can't. I can't. Mr. Zacharia, every day you come out here and you most by your rich family them. You see, my Zaki, you say your family they have this and the amount of house and how much bedroom, house and all these things. Then Mr. Zaki, how your family them have it like that and them allow you to live so? If you go ask how you say it, you know, uncle, they're wicked to you, you know. It's a wicked set of family member you have, Mas Zachariah. Because if them can't afford it, and then this left you up to the mass, the whole a live so careless and reckless, they no mean you're no good. Them no mean you're good, then wicked to you. But Mr. Zaki, as much as mother really want to wish bad for you, you know, me can't do it, you know, Mas Zachariah. I can't do it. Me can't wait for the day. You see, Mr. Zaki? I can't wait for the day when you're no longer bound to other people's rules. Because you fear catch partner, you tap if then queen too hard to backside, you drop off and pop you behind. Me can't wait for you just start enjoy your nice place without restrictions. You know, Ma Zachariah? Mazaki, you know that feeling, I don't know if you ever experienced that feeling before, you know, Mazaki. But Mazaki, you know that feeling that when you come off, you know, after a hard day's work, and you finally reach home, you kick off your shoes and you throw down your bag, fling down the keys them, and you just head to the shower, you say, Mazaki, and you run yourself a nice warm shower. When you're done shower, relax. You say, Mazaki, and you dry off with your little towel and you oil up your body and wrap up the little hair now and put on your nightcap. And you go relax in a nice, comfortable bed. Your linen there smells so wonderful. So nice. You just go lie down in it and stretch out and fall asleep. You know that feeling, the Mazaki? Oh God, man, Mazaki, me want you experience. There's something that you know, Mazaki. More you experience, there's something, there, man. You know that nice, satisfying, relaxing. Yeah, Uncle Mazaki, man. You miss out, you know, Mazaki. You miss out, man. Just so relaxed and comfortable. Imazaki, you're no longer subjected. You're no longer subjected to no disrespect. Eh? You're no longer subjected to no disrespect, Mazaki, for any dirty girl chin. Yes, the old dirty girl chin. The boy in the car when on no neck. The one Ashanti him. The one Erica. Latest. Adasa and Pinky and the rest. Then can disrespect you no more. Then can chat you no more. Then can walk in your shoes anymore. Especially the one dirty chin will love ridicule you. Yes. Will love ridicule you. I fear a word that my love sound no don't come for me. Yes, and the one Stacey Campbell she will build homeless singer for you. Eh? The one Stacey Campbell she will build homeless singer for you. Not one you know about two. Oh, tell me if all there Cynthia no liberty. Mr. Zacharia, tell me if all of them Cynthia no liberty. Me say, uncle, I can't wait till you put the whole of them backside to shame out here. I can't wait. All the damn dry foot hug me street. Your man Mazaki, me just want you finally get a little, you know, stability and security. Because as me say, your life risky. Me afraid for you, no Mazaki. Me afraid for you, me not lie. It's a very, very sad feeling, man. 'Cause me don't like see all people suffer, you know. I don't like see all people suffer, my love. And when me really sit down and look and see this woman here in her 70s, I got up in her 80s, have to sit down in her car till them the hours of morning there. 3, 4 o'clock a morning time in a car. Them the time they not even dog no the par road. Dopey gone them bed, dopey top walk. The whole world is sleeping. Well, maybe not the whole world sleeping, cause some of them the time they, you know, then time they sometime maybe they, you know, I take little too loose. Yes. So some of them the time they may not sleeping. But majority of the world is sleeping. And my Zacharia one out there sit down in a car. You have more security for your world. You're the night chief. I want Mr. Trump give a job up there. Him give a security job to watch over the world. It look away, man, your story grim. Your story is a sad one. Me no want to see nobody else out here experience this. Bad to bad, ma Zachariah. Bad to bad. Me really want you experience what it feel like. You know, if you decorate your own place. You understand me, ma Zachariah? If you renovate it. Basically, you personalize your little space. If it suit you. Your man, so you can finally feel a sense of belonging. Me want you can experience all of them. There's something. You understand me, ma Zachariah? Nah lie, your life a living a risky bad. It risky, but me just hope and praise him as Zacharia. But just hope and pray that. You know what? One day, Mr. God can just look into it and forgive your ancestors them. Forgive your ancestors them so you know some of the pressure can come out for you. Some of the evil the way you face. You understand all of them, they think they were tumble down for your generation and land for you. It can come out for you. So you can know the real meaning of living and not just existing. You understand me, uncle? Yeah, man. Me not really I wish no bad for you, ma Zachariah. Me not really I wish no bad for you. God no. Me know when you go your bed at night time, when your name late, you understand, and go your bed at night time and a little nightmare then start to ride you. You start see some things in your dream where you wish a reality. And when you wake up, you take your phone and you go on your live. And you start bringing it to life. Your man start make it sound real. Living your dreams in your head. Boy, uncle, your childhood got to be a rough one. Looking into it, Mr. Zachariah, your childhood was a rough one. Because there's no way you could have an enjoyable childhood. And in for your old stage, you know, when you're soon DEAD stage, you are trying to relive your childhood. No, man. I never seen nothing like this from a barn. Never. But like I say, I just hope Mr. God can look into it and forgive your wicked ancestors them. You alone not supposed to out here bear for them cross. You alone are carry the whole of them cross out here. Mighty God. Anyways, my dear children, big up on yourself, bless upon yourself. Thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Have a safe, wonderful, and productive day. And I will see you all in another video. All right, peace out, much love. See you later. Bye-bye.